Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today in this video I am going to share how to live stream on YouTube using OBS chroma key effects. So guys, let's watch the full video how to setting and live stream. Guys, for live streaming you need a camera. You can see here guys, this is my full HD camera, dual camera. So guys, not only that, you need also green screen. So guys, this is my green screen. So guys, as you can see here, this is my green screen. You can see this is my green screen. So guys, how to setting? Let's go on the screen. So guys, open the OBS studio. You can see here guys, this is a source camera. Click right click, properties. You can see here guys, this is the USB camera. Okay, now filter chroma key. You can set as default also. You can see here guys, adjust the chroma key effects. Now okay, you can see here guys. This is the perfect. Default, you can see. So close. So the media source, you can see guys, this is the media source. You can browse any video or an game. You can see guys, this is the countdown, 10, 9, 8, like that. Welcome, this is the welcome and introduction, start game. So guys, for live streaming you need to open your Google, YouTube. This is the YouTube, my channel. You go to the Google Live. So setting, streaming. So guys, copy this key from the YouTube. You can see here guys, this is the key. Copy this key and paste on in this stream key and okay. So you can start recording, start streaming. You can see here guys, you can so you can edit your thumbnail. So when you want to go, then click on the go live. So guys, how to game live stream on YouTube with using chroma key effects. So let's see. Open the game. You can see guys, Windows capture properties. You can see guys, and grand run. Okay. So guys, you can now play your game. You can see guys, I am playing the game. You can see guys, like that you can play and live stream your game on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share, and comment in the comment box if you have confused.